Guys, it's Alicia Reese here, aka Beauty Junkie. Sorry guys, I haven't been making videos for some time now. I had some personal issues, so I'm really sorry guys. I couldn't make any videos for you guys, but hey guys, I'm back now, so I'll be making more videos I hope now. So yeah guys, I really missed you guys. Today I've got a video I'm making of some seeds. The weather in UK is still cold, wet, windy, so I'm doing a head start. So I'm going to grow these and keep them inside or in my greenhouse where it's a bit more warmer. So the seeds I'm doing are from Seed Premier Direct. Sorry, that's Premier Seeds Direct, I mean. So I always get seeds from this company. They are very good quality seeds. Every time I've got seeds from this company, the seeds are very good quality seeds. So yeah, if you want your seeds, that's where to go. So the cucumber are called La Diva, and the F1s, you get 30 seeds in them. Can't remember how much they were. I think they were about £2. It's been a while since I've ordered from them because I haven't been making videos. But yeah, so today I'm gonna do the seed video for cucumbers today. So I hope you're gonna like the video and keep watching. Yeah. Right, let's just get these seeds out so I can show it to you guys. That's the size of the seeds. So this is what we're gonna grow today. So here's my pot. I've got some compost in there. The compost I'm using today, it's I've changed. I used to go for Miracle Grow. I used that for some time, but somebody told me to use try the, what's it called now, it's Grow Show Westlands, because it's for seeds and cutting compost. So it's a super fine grade, as you can see, and it says it's for up to 25% more germination. So it's enriched with the plant extracts, so you'll get more germination percentage with this seed compost. So let's give it a go and see if it's going to give me some more quicker results for germination. It says 25%, so let's see if it does what it says. So let's start and do the seeds. So I'm gonna make some small holes, well, not holes, but make some round, put my pencil in. 1 there, 2, 3 and 4. You need to make them about ½ inch deep, so the seeds sit in nicely, so they're not too low, not too low or high up. So sorry about that. So that's the seed. I don't know if you can see if it's gonna focus or not. I don't think it wants to focus, but anyway, they're the seeds. So I'm gonna put them in. That's 1. And that's 2. That's 3 and 4. Put 4 seeds in there. I think I'll do another one in the middle. Let's do another one. It's always good to have extras than less seeds, because they don't always germinate, all the seeds you put in. So yeah, let's put another one in. So yeah, I've got 5 seeds there that I've just put in the compost. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some compost over it, just lightly. Don't press the compost too much over the seeds, because when they shoot through, if you put too much compost and press them down too much, it'll be very hard for them to pop up. So just lightly put compost and pat them down as light as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And it's very fine, super fine grade of compost to the Miracle Grow that I normally use. Yeah, so we'll try this compost and see. So we put the compost on top. That's enough. Put the compost on top now. So I'm going to give it some spray, water it. So just lightly spray it, so they're not too wet, because you don't want them to rot. Because some people, what they do is they put too much water and the seeds tend to rot. So you just need to really dampen them. So there you go, that's enough. So I've done that. So I'm gonna show the results in a few weeks, I hope, when they pop out. So I'll make another video of when the seedlings are grown. Hopefully, I mean, when the seeds have grown into seedlings. I can't even talk today. Don't know what's happened to me. So yeah, guys, so that's how you seed cucumbers. And the name are called La Diva and the F1s. Yeah, so that's how you grow seeds, cucumber seeds, guys. So if you want me to guys, if you want me to make any other videos about anything like seeds, or I don't know, whatever you want me to make videos of, just comment below what you want me to make a video of, and I will make a video of it, guys. So please comment, like my video, subscribe. It really helps me, because I know you guys are watching, so it really, you know, encourages me to make more videos. And just comment, share, guys. And yeah, thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you, guys. Bye.